Good morning students. Today we will study new chapter, chapter 6, whole and parts fraction. What do you mean fraction? Fraction is a part of a whole. Fraction is a part of or parts of a whole. Look here. This is a whole rectangle. Okay. Then I divided into 8 parts. I divided into 8 parts. Then I shaded in 2 parts. I shaded in 2 parts. Then what is the shaded part of fraction? What is the shaded part of the figure? What is the shaded part? First you count the parts. The whole, there is a whole. Then I divided into 8 parts. Then I shaded in 2 parts. Now our question is, what is the shaded part? Fraction of shaded part. First you count the whole parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Then count the shaded part. 1, 2. How to read this? 2 upon 8. 2, 8. 2 upon 8. 2, 8 or 2 by 8. Then what is the unshaded fraction? How many unshaded? The total we write 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First we write the total. Then how many parts are unshaded? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many parts? 6 parts. Understand it? Then this is shaded part. This is unshaded part. The total is 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. The total of that is 1. The above the line is called numerator. What do you say? Numerator. Already you learned in 3rd class. Now the above the line is, this line we divided into numerator and denominator. The above the line is called numerator. The below the line is called denominator. The top of the number, this number is called numerator. The bottom of the number is called denominator. Again I divide. This is circle. I divided into in 4 parts. Then I shaded in 1 part. What is the fraction of this? 1 by 4. That is 1/4. First you read the numerator first. Then th add 1/4. Unshaded part 3/4. How to read? 3/4. Which is the numerator? 3 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. Then what are the types of fractions? First, types of fraction. First, like fraction, like and unlike fraction. Like and unlike fraction. Like and unlike fraction. Here Look here. Here the denominators are same. Denominators are same. That fraction is called like fraction. When the denominators are same, that fraction is called like fraction. Here all you look, here 15, here also 15, here also 15. All denominators are same. That fraction is called like fraction. Next, unlike fraction. Look here, here denominator 4, 5 here, here 3. These fraction when the denominators are different, not same, that fraction is called unlike fraction. When the denominators are different, that fraction is called unlike fraction. Next, proper fraction. When the numerator is smaller than denominator. Numerator is smaller than denominator. That fraction is called proper fraction. 7 by 15. Which is smaller? 7 is smaller, 15 is smaller. 7 is smaller. That is numerator. When the numerator is smaller than denominator, that fraction is called proper fraction. Always the proper fraction is 1 less than, 1 smaller than 1. Then improper fraction. Here, when the numerator is greater than denominator, when the numerator is greater than denominator, that fraction is called improper fraction. That is, the numerator and denominator is same, equal. That fraction is also called improper fraction. Here numerator 6, denominator also 6. That fraction is also called improper fraction. Then this, which fraction is this? 7 is greater than 5. Which fraction is this? Improper fraction. 17 by 17. Which fraction is? Improper fraction. Next, mixed fraction. When a whole number is combined with a proper fraction, that is called mixed fraction. Here 3 is the whole number, 1 by 4 is the proper fraction. It is called mixed fraction. A combined with a whole number and proper fraction is called mixed fraction. How to read this number? 3, 1 by 4, 7, 2 by 5, 8, 1 by 6. Understand you? Then the next, unit fraction. Unit fraction. Unit fraction. When the numerators are 1, when the numerators are 1, that fraction is called unit fraction. Here the numerators are 1. 3 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 5. Here the numerators are 1. That fraction is called unit fraction. That fraction is called unit fraction. Now, the one unit fraction is also called a proper fraction. Now, recall the types of fractions. First, like and unlike fraction. What is like and unlike fraction? Like fraction, when the denominators are same, that fraction is called like fraction. Then unlike fraction, when the denominators are different, that fraction is called unlike fraction. Then second, proper fraction, when the numerator is smaller than denominator, that fraction is called proper fraction. Then what is improper fraction? When the numerator is greater than denominator, that fraction is called improper fraction. Next, mixed fraction, when the whole number combined with a proper fraction, that fraction is called mixed fraction. For next, unit fraction, when the numerators are 1, that fraction is called unit fraction. Then I give some homework for you. You identify this is a like fraction and unlike fraction. Then second question, this is or a unit, proper, mixed or improper. Okay, first identify proper, mixed and improper fraction. Okay, first okay, this is today's homework. Okay, thank you.